Hey cuties, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a tutorial using the Kat Von D Lolita palette. Lolita is literally one of my favorite shades in general, not just by Kat Von D. I think it is a beautiful universal shade that looks amazing on any skin tone. And I am so excited that she finally came out with the eyeshadow palette Lolita. When I saw it, I just knew I had to have it. If you guys want to know how I got this look, just keep on watching. Closed doors, I'm a fool for your love. Okay, you guys, totally optional, but I like to put tape on my eyes to, I don't know, make the eyeshadow look more cleaned up. I'm going to be going in with my Morphe M518 brush, and this is the first shade I'm going in with. I will put it on the screen because I have no idea how to pronounce it. The second shade in the palette, and we're just going to work that through our crease. That was literally so easy to blend out, which it usually is. I honestly usually have like no problems typically blending out any of Kat Von D's eyeshadows. I love them and they just work so well. I think I'm going to go in with this shade right here. I think it's Con Amor. I literally have no idea. Again, I will put it on the screen because like I don't know how to read any of this. Like I'm literally such a horrible Mexican. Can't read any type of Spanish. Actually not sure what I want to do for this look though. I think, yeah, I think I'm just gonna like place this on like the outer corner right here. And then I'm just gonna start blending it into the crease along with that other shade that we put. And now going in with the Morphe M514 brush, we're gonna be taking the color Lolita. That one I do know how to pronounce. Fucking dropped my brush. So this color right here. Am I pointing at it? Yeah, I am. Okay, right here. Now, like more precisely, we're gonna be putting that in the outer corner again, just building up that crease color. Lolita is such a pretty shade. Like, it really is. Like, this is like one of the best shades I have ever come across. Again, blend it out really nicely. I guess I should have zoomed you guys in from the beginning, but right here it's doing some kind of like weird thing because of my like eyelid. I'm gonna be going in with like concealer there anyways to do like kind of like a cut crease. I don't really care, but like still kind of annoying. So now I'm going in with the Morphe M421 brush. It just looks like that. And I'm going to be going in with the Kat Von D High Voltage Eyeshadow Primer. I'm actually going to be using this to cut my crease. Okay, so just like that. Now just a little bit more of that Lolita. I'm just going to be taking that over that crease line again and right here to like blend it better. Now with just my finger, I'm going to be going in with this first shade right here. Again, don't know how to pronounce it, but I'll put it on the screen. I just feel like my finger works the best for this part. You can use a brush if you want. With my finger, using this all over my lid. Or maybe, oh my god, should I use a brush? Hold on. I'm packing that all over my lid. And then it's okay if we messed up a little bit right there because we can just take the brush that we used with the other colors and just blend it together. Alright, so we're basically done with the eyeshadow now, at least for the upper lid. And now we're going on to the fun part. Don't forget to shake this before you use it because if not, it's going to explode. It's going to be a hot mess. But now we're going in with the ink liner, the color Lolita. It looks like that, real pretty. And I have to take this off for this part. Like I don't understand. Sometimes it messes up your foundation, sometimes it doesn't. Or your concealer, whatever. I think it looks fine though. So that's how it looks. I think it looks real pretty. Wow. Okay, now we're gonna be winging this out. I hope I'm in frame. Oh my god. Okay, so I'm stupid and I don't know why I thought this was gonna work. But anyways, you can't really see the winged eyeliner because like it's the shade Lolita and I have Lolita on my eyelid and it's kind of all like blending together, but yeah, so not really seeing it that well. But I mean, it still looks pretty, but it's just not, it's not turning out the way baby girl's trying to make it. So now we're just going to be taking Lolita, just Lolita, no other color. And we're going to be running that underneath our lash lines. Using my pinky, I'm going to brighten up the inner corner a little bit with that shade that we used all over the lid. Also, with the same shade, we are going to be putting that underneath our brow bone. Very lightly though, because I don't want it to be like as pigmented as it is all over my eyelid. I feel like that would look weird, but just lightly. So it comes out something like that. By the way, this palette is amazing at not having fallout. I have not had any problems with fallout. That's always a plus. I typically do my foundation before my eye makeup, so that's huge for me because I usually always have to like go in and fix my foundation because I can't do my eye makeup before my foundation. It just never works out for me, and I tried it many times. I just can't get the hang of it. So anyways, like I was saying, big plus that it does not have fallout. Alright, so I'm just going to be popping out a pair of eyelashes. I think I'm going to use these ones I got for Christmas. They're just a pair of e.l.f. lashes. This has a thicker band, which I'm not a fan of. Usually like eyelashes with thicker bands I can't put on for the life of me, but we're going to try it. And also I'm using the Duo Lash Adhesive, the brush on kind as usual. Okay, yep, nope, these eyelashes aren't working. We're using something else. Okay, we're going in with the Demi Wispies. Also, I actually don't know why I went in with false lashes first because I'm definitely gonna curl my lashes and do mascara. So now I'm just gonna curl them. Oh my god, guys. Huge note to self though. Try to not get that Kat Von D eyeliner on your eyelashes because that shit, oh my god, what's happening? Anyways, that shit like hurts to get off, so I like how smooth this tutorial is going. I'm like, wow, I haven't even been recording that long and I'm almost done. And see, like, this shit's not coming off. Anyways, and like, wow, it's going so smoothly, wow, and then all this shit happens to me at once. Okay, so my eyelashes kind of covered my, not kind of, it did cover my, what's that called? Eyeliner. So I'm just gonna re-go over it. I don't know what's going on with me and fake eyelashes today, but we're just not friends. Guys, my eyelashes are on. Fixed everything, whatever. Okay, now, I feel like this is still like missing something, so I'm gonna be taking the Kat Von D Everlasting Lip Liner in the color Lolita, of course. And I'm actually gonna be putting that on my waterline. I know my eyelashes look a little messed up, so like just ignore that. Don't judge me. I feel like what this is missing is like glitter, but I'm not going to use glitter because there's no glitter in the palette, but that's what I feel like it's missing. I'm not used to doing like all matte looks. Like, it's a rare occasion that I don't. I prefer like glitter. Now to be finishing off the eyes, we're just going to be taking our mascara again. Oh, by the way, I'm using the GD Hadid mascara by Maybelline. And we're just going to be putting that on our lower lash line. I'm so sick of getting mascara everywhere. So now that we're done with the eyes, I'm going to be using the Kat Von D Everlasting Liquid Lipstick in Lolita. And just applying that all over my lips. I actually don't have the Kat Von D Lock-It Setting Spray, so I'm just going to go in with the J-Cat Beauty Matte Makeup Setting Spray. It looks like this. I got it in my What I Got for Christmas haul. I got a lot of the stuff that I'm using in my What I Got for Christmas haul, so I'll leave that linked down below if you guys are interested. Okay, come on. This smells kind of weird. It smells like old people. So my overall thought of the Lolita palette is that I love it. The lighter shade, I had a little bit of trouble packing on my lid and getting it a little bit pigmented. It's typical for eyeshadows that are that light. Other than that, they're beautiful. I had no problem blending it out. It all blended beautifully and seamlessly. I also really appreciate the fact that it did not have no fallout. Cat 2 liner, the actual brush to it is really, really hard, so it would kind of like hurt my eyes, to be honest. And it was a little bit streaky, so it was kind of hard to work with. Other than that, it worked great. I am definitely going to use a liner on its own without the palette because, I mean, everything does kind of blend in together since it is all the shade Lolita. But I do love every product individually so much. Very few products that Kat Von D has put out has let me down, but I love these products. I think they're amazing. If you want to see me just use the Kat Von D Lolita eyeliner, definitely be following my Instagram at ShelbyMUA. Hey guys, so that is it for this video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, definitely let me know by giving it a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to look at my other video that I just uploaded. It'll be linked down below, and also follow my Instagram at ShelbyMUA. I will appreciate it. I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.